How to sign in into Sam's Club Business Credit Card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Sam's Business Credit Card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up a web browser and simply search for Sam's Club Business Credit Card login. And after you open that up, here you'll find Sam's Club Business Credit Card Center. Open this link up. So here you can see the link as well. You can go through that link as well. So let's let this load, and there we go. So after you're on this website, all you have to do is enter your user ID, whatever your user ID is, and then finally your password. Now to make your login process easier for the future, check this box called Remember Me and then tap on Login. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your Sam's Club Business Credit Card Center. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.